Good afternoon. My name is Adolf Marema, Chair of Chess of the City of Johannesburg. Today's meeting with the Mayor or Acting Mayor and the MMC was also very fruitful, as it was reflecting the urban development framework of Frankenwald and also the BNG development that is about to happen in Alex. And amongst other things, it touched on the development that is supposed to happen at Lombardy for the people of Alex. And I think after the briefing that is now prepared, it will pave way on how we're going to proceed in making sure that the long-standing matters of Alex renewal happens and happens in reality. And we will push for this to happen in our lifetime, and we will make sure that we turn Alex into a construction site. Trust you me, as the Chair of Chess of the City of Johannesburg, development is coming, not only in Alex, in the entire City of Johannesburg. We will move to areas like Kanana, we will move in areas like Zandspruit, Diepsloot, we will go to Orange Farm, Roodepoort, Soweto, and many other areas that I have not mentioned. We will make sure that things get done this time. Everybody will work and everybody will do their work, and the residents of the City of Johannesburg must just give us an opportunity to try and make sure that those that are supposed to do their work, we hold them to account. Thank you very much.